Can trusses be modified on site? Generally, no. They're pre-manufactured. The truss designer and truss manufacturer are the same company typically, and they can tell you if you need something modified, you can maybe arrange to have it done before the truss is assembled and sent to site. After it's on site and been installed, everything gets a lot harder. So if you need to modify trusses, it's probably better to do it before it's installed. Afterwards is a lot harder. And even us at Cornell Engineers, we don't tend to modify trusses for a truss being pulled out or some changes in someone wants to put an air conditioner in their roof space. We're generally not able to help them with that. It's a specialist area, truss design and the truss installation. It can be done by carpenters and chippies, but the modifications, no, generally not.